How to subscribe for Grammarly Premium Package, step by step. Welcome to Lifestyle Tutorials. So the first you meet, this is the Grammarly dashboard. So we'll come here to account. Once we come to account, my Grammarly will be expiring today, so I'll take you one-on-one on how to subscribe. You only need $150 to get the premium package. So we can see the account settings. Then we'll come here and see that you need a subscription for the premium package. So we can see my current plan is annual. Annual is the most economical most economical mode. It says payment method. We could not process the payment for the renewal. Please update your billing and avoid losing your Grammarly premium. So we'll come here and select the PayPal. I'll come here and put my PayPal. We can see the billing history. For the last 2 years, Grammarly Premium, you can see 12 months subscription on $139 on April 25, 2022. April 25, 2021, I subscribed $139.95. We can see enter details that you want to appear on your invoice, such as company name. So we can also cancel the subscription. It tells us all future payment will be cancelled and your plan will downgrade to free version of Grammarly at the end of the subscription period. So in case you need to cancel, here is the option. But for us, we will update our PayPal details, and I know it will process. So for us to pay with our PayPal, we'll say PayPal checkout. And I am sure it is going to bring us to a PayPal. We can see your pay plan will be automatically renewed on April 24th. It will be charged as one payment of $139.95. That is $11.66 US. I said the annual package is the best, but in case you just need to buy for only 1 month, it is at higher. It is $29 per month. But once you opt this cheap option, the annual package, it is $11.6. We can see that on April 27th, on $139 has been paid. And I'm sure even when I go to my email, I'll see the same notifications, and I will be happy to try Grammarly Premium. We can see here is the receipt for the Grammarly has been completed and successfully paid. Subscribe to YouTube channel Lifestyle Tutorials.